Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss how to create a word map or word cloud. So what is word map or word cloud? So this is used for text analysis. Okay. So let's create word map. Now if I want to see which state is having highest profit in the form of text, so what I will do now? So for that I will just create a word map. I'll just select state and profit by just control click and just click show me option and just click on tree map option. Okay. So this is the simple tree map which I have discussed in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, so I'll just ping that link in my description so that you can just go and watch that video. Okay, make it as enter view. So this is the simple tree map, right? And this is in square size, right? And if you want to see this in circle, just click on automatic and click on circle. Okay, and this is the packed bubble chart which I have also discussed in my previous video. I'll also send that link in my description box so that you can easily learn how to create a packed bubble chart. And if you want to create a word map, just click on text. See, by a few button clicks you can just create a word map. Isn't it interesting? So just keep cursor on California. You can just see the profit is 37,422. You can just click on New York. You can see the profit of 27,612. You can click the cursor on Texas and you can see the profit is 28,079, right? See, the states which are in orange color, those are having negative profit. Okay, see, this is Virginia and the profit is minus 1,749. Pennsylvania, the profit is minus 1,096. Montana, the profit is minus 13,759. Okay. And the states which are in blue color, those are having profit more than 0. And the states which are in orange color, those are having negative profit. Okay. So this is the word map. I'll just rename the sheet as word map. Click it in bold. Black is okay. Middle, apply, okay. I'll just create one more word map. Just select product subcategory and sales. Okay, click on show me option, click on tree map, click it in enter view and click it here as test. Okay, so this is the simple word map. I'll just drag and drop profit into color. See, you can now see the table profit is minus 7,240 and sale is 1,93,765. Here it is also orange color. The profit is minus 1,545 and sale is 1,789. And the binder and binder accessories sale is 1,85,928 and profit is 59,296. Here also you can see the orange color one, the profit is in negative, and the blue color one, the profit is in positive, right? So in this way you can just create a word map or word cloud. I'll just rename the sheet word map 001. Bold, black, middle, apply, okay. You can just save it by Ctrl S. It will just take few seconds. You can just log in from your Gmail account. It will automatically display your Tableau public profile. See, your word map has already published in your Tableau public profile. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you understood. Thank you. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood.